Welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports. Athletics is where we begin. The B sample of Jamaica's Olympic sprint hurdles bronze medalist Ronald Levy has also returned positive for two banned drugs found in his A sample by the WADA lab in Canada from an out-of-competition test last month. He now faces a hearing and the possibility of a 4-year ban which could rule him out of next summer's Paris Olympics, as well as the next two World Athletics Championships in 2025 and 2027. According to TVJ Sports sources, the two banned substances found in Levy's sample are sulfoxide and sulfone. Earlier this month, Levy, via his Instagram page, confirmed being notified of the adverse finding on November 3, but did not reveal the name of the substances. So football news now. Former assistant coach of the senior reggae girls team.
I'm a little disappointed that no resolution has taken place since the first round game with the Women's World Cup qualifier. I believe that we should have worked assiduously to have some form of resolution, but obviously it doesn't look like it's going in the direction, and I'm a bit disappointed.
The Jamaican women must win both games to qualify automatically to the Gold Cup next year. Unbeaten leaders and the defending champions Mount Pleasant FC take on Tivoli in one of 5 matches in the Jamaica Premier League this afternoon. The St. Ann-based club is hunting a 5th straight win and will square off with Tivoli, who have registered 3 wins in their first 4 matches. The game is slated to kick off at 3 p.m. In other matches, starting at 3, Veer United, who suffered their first defeat of the season to Waterhouse last time out, will be at home to Cavalier, while Humble Lion, who also suffered their first defeat in the last round, welcome Montego United, who are yet to win on the road this season. There is a doubleheader at the Tony Spalding Sports Complex with the newcomers Treasure Beach of St. Elizabeth taking on Malines United, who are hunting their first win this season at 5. The mega clash between former champions Arnett Gardens and the in-form and second place Waterhouse takes place at 7:30. The semi-finalists for this season's Issa Rural Area Ben Francis knockout competition will be known this afternoon when the quarterfinals are contested across 4 venues. Many-time winners Stets and Cornwall College will collide in Santa Cruz for their encounter. And this will be a second meeting between the schools after Stets clipped Cornwall 3-2 in the round of 16 of the Da Costa Cup earlier in the season. Now elsewhere, another former winner, Froome Technical, take on BB Coke at the Landilo Sports Complex. 2-time runners-up Manchester High oppose McGrath at Yoton Sports Complex, and Happy Grove welcome Christiana High at Carter Park. All matches kick off at 3 p.m. And the final semi-finalists for this season's Urban Area Walker Cup knockout competition will be known when last season's beaten finalist Haile Selassie hosts St. Andrew Technical at 3 p.m. And that is it for your lunchtime sports. And I am Jermaine Brown. Carrie Ann.
Thank you, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Carrie Ann Simpson. Join us again at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.